Hey guys, it's me back on Asangshi, and today I'll be doing a short tutorial on how to turn any 2D mask into 3D mask. And for today's example, I've got a Michael Myers mask. So here's the mask. It's pretty flat, doesn't have much 3D details except for the neck and obviously the shading. So we are gonna begin our surgery on this face right here. So this was requested a lot of times, mostly by the same person, but I thought it would be a fun challenge to try and turn this into something a bit more three-dimensional. So the things I'll be needing is going to be pretty much mostly just black A4. We are gonna add some hair to it, right? And if I can find it, I need some more black. There you go. Alright, so we are gonna start by making the eyes fully pitch black. So for that, let's use this darker black. And then let's start by okay, so these are big enough. Now I'm gonna stick that from the back side, and besides that, I'm also gonna give him a 3D nose and a 3D lip and some hair. I think that will be enough. So for our nose, we are gonna need a rough size estimate. Like that. A bit bigger will suffice. So we'll cut that out, and I'll quickly stick this behind the mask as well. And yeah, I'll see when that's done. Right, so I put the black and I cut out this kind of triangular piece. Now just a lot of trial and error really. I made several attempts and I think I'm happy with this shape. So I'm just gonna go with it. And what I'm gonna do is add some tape onto it. And this kind of trapezius shape, trapezoid. I'll just stick it in there. Like so. So just cover up the entire thing. And then make folds, like creases like this. So that's going to be our nostrils, and we want the lower part to be pretty dark, so I think instead of this I'll just go with shading method, like that. And yeah, well, we have our pen out, our marker. I will just quickly shade this guy as well. Okay, do the same on the other side. And now we are ready with the nose. So before that, I want you to cut out one more piece because I want to make the mouth a bit 3D as well. So we'll be using this for that. And this kind of shape is pretty perfect for what's about to happen next. That is, we are going to redo the entire mouthpiece. Right there our chin begins, so let's just shade around that. And then the chin ends right there. Okay, that's not what I planned on, that's too dark. It looks like a beard now. Okay, let's use some markers. So up there is our nose. These are our lips. And some of these crease lines. Okay, once you have a mouth that resembles this, then we can go on to the next step. Okay, I think I'm satisfied with that. So for our next step, what we're gonna do is we will cut out this segment that divides the two parts of the mouth, like this, and then fold the mouth inwards. I mean the lips. Fold the inner and outer, upper and top lips inwards like so. And then we are good to attach this onto the face. Actually, let's make this a bit larger. Okay, so also you may have noticed I added some folds here and there right along the eyebrows. I think that changes things a lot with face structures and making things 3D, three-dimensional looking. Alright, then let's add some crease in this before we stick it onto the main thing. And right there we will stick it. Don't hesitate to redo it if it doesn't turn out as planned, because I had to do it a couple of times and I think it turned out alright for that reason. Might need some more shading down there. Okay, now we can add the nose. The shading down there is kind of off. It's throwing me off a little bit because it looks like a beard. Right, let's start. Right there. that makes it look 3D. With the beard part, it's not that great. So yeah, that's my attempt at making a 3D version of the Michael Myers mask. Should I cover that up? Yeah, I'll cover that up. And one final thing I need to do now is give him some hair, so I'll quickly do that off camera. Alright, so I added some hair as well, actually a lot of hair. This legit actually feels like hair because it's a huge amount. From the back it looks like that. That was a lot of tape. And yeah, this is our Michael Myers mask. And I think it looks 3D enough. So yeah, that's about it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, hope you enjoyed. And if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment me down below what should I do next in my next video, and share my videos. Thank you, bye bye.